कदम्बवनप्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंग निजाल.
Hey, where would you go? Dreaming before chai?
वो आ रही है.
Who's coming?
ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डित रुण्ड वितुण्डित शुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपुगज गण्ड विदारण चण्ड पराक्रम शुण्ड मृगाधिपते मारम्यक परदिनि शैलसुते.
Ma Durga. These 9 nights, they belong to her.
Wait, guys. Hold your excitement. I'm also excited, but also curious. Why do we worship feminine energy, Ma Durga, that too for 9 nights?
Navratri celebrates the divine feminine, the Shakti. 9 nights when Ma Durga battled Mahisasur, restoring hope. Each night honors a powerful form of her radiant energy.
9 nights? 9 forms. What are they?
The first form is Ma Shailputri, the strength of mountains, the power to begin every journey.
The second form is Ma Brahmacharini, with significance guiding knowledge, our inner research.
The third form is Ma Chadraghanta, beauty and bravery, ringing of the darkness.
The fourth form is Ma Kushmanda, the cosmic light, the creative force behind the universe.
Fifth form is Ma Skandamata, a mother's love, nurturing courage.
The sixth form, Ma Katyayani, fierce of protector, warrior of justice.
The seventh form is Ma Kalratri, fearless force who faces every shadow.
The eighth form is Ma Mahagaur, pure and pious, she is hope and peace.
The ninth form is Ma Siddhi Datri, granter of boons, the goddess of spiritual fulfillment.
Isn't it beautiful how we are all from the different corners of India, and yet this one festival binds us all? Let's share how we celebrate Navratri back home.
In Gujarat, Navratri is electrifying. 9 nights of Garba, Dandiya and unstoppable joy. It's not festival, it's feeling.
Durga Puja. In Bengal, it's an emotion. We wait the whole year for it. The archery of the pandals, the dark beads, the sindoor khela. It's much about devotion as it is about community.
In Tamil homes, we celebrate by setting up Kolu, beautiful arrangements of dolls that narrate divine stories. Families come together, sing devotional songs, and offer prasadam. It's peaceful, poetic.
In Kerala, we observe Saraswati Puja. Children write their first letter in rice during Vidyarambha. The goddess is worshipped as giver of wisdom. It's deeply spiritual.
In Assam, we add our own rhythm with Bihu. During Durga Puja, there is a dance, drums and joy in every home. There is this beautiful mix of traditions and celebration.
In North, we fast, watch Ramlila play in every mohalla, and it ends with Kanya Pujan, inviting little girls as goddess. The vibe is devotional and festive, full of community and bonding.
Kulu Dashera is like no other. In Himachal Pradesh, entire town gather to carry deities on palkis. It's grandeur in the lap of Himalayas, full of faith and folklore.
In my village, in Andhra Pradesh, women come together for Batukamma. We sing folk songs, form circles and dance and offer stack of flowers to the goddess. It is colorful, vibrant and emotional.
Mysuru Dasara is royal. Cities light up, processions lit the street, and we all honor Ma Chamundeshwari with majestic honor.
Growing up, Kanya Pujan was the best day. As a little girl, I get invited, feed with sweets and treated like a goddess. Now I pass that love forward.
All this is so meaningful. But how do we celebrate this here at MyCP1?
Let me take you down the memory lane. See where the tradition meets joy. Our annual Dandiya Dhamal is more than just music. It's a celebration of us, the people who rise together, celebrate together, and carry the spirit of Shakti forward. Let's go, guys, for now. But come on, everyone, let's meet on 27th for our Dandiya Dhamal event.
तोड़ी घुघरियू घड़ाऊ आज हाथ जो चांद